Yeah, my responsibilities are to conducting systematic reviews, synthesizing research finding, yeah, maintaining research database. My sector is a public sector. I can add my former positions, like I was at Armorhan's Research Institute, I was research assistant researcher. I was assistant researcher, yeah. Yes, so it was 40 hours. Yeah, my employment, full time. Um, Summary of my responsibility, yeah. Okay, let me check. Let me take from Armor Hansen. So, okay, yeah. So, yeah, this were my responsibilities. It was public sector. Did I add the date? I was working here from 2021 March 10. Yeah, March 10 to 2023 June 30. Yes. So I've worked here, submitting new. Okay, yeah, I was also a lecturer at Medical University. Yes, I was a lecturer. Yeah, I was a lecturer. Yeah, so here, I've worked starting from 2017. Yeah, July. Yeah, I started by July 8th. Yeah, I remember. So I've worked till March 9, 2021. March 9. Yes. Hour, of course, 40 hours. So total number of hours plus 40 employment for, yes. So my role, okay, my role at Medical University, yes, yeah, that's my role. It was public. So yeah, let's submit. Yeah, employment submission successful. Yeah, so as you can see, if we refresh it, it will appear on the window. Yeah, application in progress. Okay, so yeah, let me open. Okay, so background. Yeah, so it's successfully added. Yeah, yes, are you currently employed full time? Yes. Okay, so this is it. So now we have successfully completed our background. So here the second section is about essay questions. So here we have four essay questions which requires 500 words for every question. So the first one is about leadership and influence. The second one is about relationship building and sharing. The second one is about relationship building and shared learning. The third one is about studying in UK, and the fourth one is about career plan. So let me give you some tips about writing essay on for Chevening scholarship. So the first thing is when you write essays for Chevening scholarship, please use STAR method. S stands for situation, T stands for task, A stands for action, R stands for result. So use these structures while you are writing for an essay. Situation means like just describe a specific event or what you need to do. Task is like it might be your goal, and action is like what actions, what measures you use or you have used to achieve your specific goal. The other one is your results. So just describe the outcome of your results and especially focus on your role in that achievement. Maybe you might be a leader on that achievement. You might play a coordination role, so just focus on your involvement. The second tip is just write down these essay questions by opening some Word document. Then just start with writing a draft. Don't write here on the application portal. Just copy paste it after you have done the writing process. The next step is make sure your stories flow, just the flow of your essays. The last but not least tip is just please give more time on proofreading your essays. There might be grammar problems, there might be vocabulary problems, there might be some flow problems. So just utilize, maybe you can utilize Grammarly to proofread your essays, and please give more time on proofreading. So for this video purpose, I'm not writing the essays, but if you have any question, and if you have any question about how to write award-winning essays, please write it in the comment section, and I will do another video on essay writing.